Most people think becoming a millionaire in America requires fame, luck, or some kind of special talent. They imagine celebrities, tech founders, or Wall Street traders, but the truth is much less exciting and much more powerful. Some of the richest people in America make their money from businesses so boring, most people completely ignore them. No fame, no spotlight, just quiet, steady millions. Today, I'll show you the boring businesses that are secretly making people very rich in America. Let's start with something most people never think about: garbage. Trash collection doesn't sound exciting, it doesn't look glamorous, and it definitely doesn't trend on social media. But garbage company owners make serious money. Every city needs trash pickup. Every business needs waste removal. And no matter what happens to the economy, trash never stops. The key difference is this: the workers earn wages, the owners earn millions. Many private waste management companies make consistent yearly profits because their services are essential and long-term. Boring business, extremely powerful income. Next, car washes. A single car wash might not look impressive, but in America, car wash owners quietly build wealth. Cars line up every single day. Payments are small, but volume is high. And once the system is set up, operating costs stay low. Some owners expand to multiple locations. Others turn one car wash into a passive income machine. No hype, no attention, just steady cash flow. Commercial cleaning companies. Now let's talk about commercial cleaning. Office buildings, hospitals, airports, warehouses. These places must be cleaned constantly, and they pay long-term contracts to companies that handle it. Commercial cleaning contractors don't work with individual customers. They work with businesses, governments, and institutions. The work isn't exciting, but the contracts are large and reliable. Many cleaning company owners quietly earn 6 or 7 figures a year without anyone noticing. Vending machine businesses. Another boring business that surprises people. At first glance, they seem small and insignificant. But successful owners don't run 1 or 2 machines. They run networks. Machines placed in offices, gyms, hospitals, and schools generate income every day with minimal effort. Once locations are secured, the system runs almost on autopilot. Small machines, big reach, consistent money. Why these businesses work? So why do these boring businesses make people rich? Because they focus on needs, not trends. They provide services people can't avoid. And they grow slowly but steadily. There's no viral moment, no overnight success, just patience, systems, and consistency. These businesses aren't flashy. They don't impress strangers, but they create real millionaires. If you're looking for the truth about money, not hype, not motivation, this is where it starts. Follow for more money secrets most people never talk about.